Here we have a brand new 2023 Audi RS3 Saloon. This is in a Vorsprung specification, which means it comes with a panoramic roof, the head-up display and the driver assistance package. But what makes this car special is its Audi exclusive colour. This RS3 is finished in Nogaro blue. It's an iconic colour which stems right back to the Audi RS2. Audi has used this colour on various special editions over the years, but for this RS3 it was selected as an Audi exclusive option which cost £2,400 and took over 2.5 years for it to be delivered from the day it was ordered. Right now you can no longer order a brand new 8-white RS3. That is because the allocations are full, but if you wanted to order one in an exclusive finish, you'd be waiting between 2.5 to 3 years because Audi typically schedule the exclusive colours to the end of the production line. As you can see, this RS3 is still equipped with the factory transportation film. This is how the car leaves the factory in Germany and then arrives to the dealership in the UK, even with all the transportation stickers in the windscreen. We request the Audi dealership that we receive the car like this so we can be the first to wash the car. The mileage on this car still presents delivery miles, so we can guarantee that you'll be the first person that drives this brand new car. The covers on this car will be carefully removed and then the car will be detailed by a professional detailing team prior to sale. This car is literally just come into stock, so if you want to find out more information about it, we recommend giving us a quick call.